Hello, how are we doing? I hope you're all well. As you know, I work with members of the oldest profession in the world, and if you're not sure what that is, look it up. And can I just start by saying that I have unwavering support for them and for their work. Um, One thing that they've reported recently is the increased impact of AI into their profession. Now, this is not necessarily an AI bashing post, that's not the point, but it's interesting because they've reported that they have clients who have increasingly used AI to explore some of their deepest kinks and fantasies, which is, not necessarily a problem in principle. What they found, however, is that those clients are now bringing those expectations into the real world and expecting workers of this particular profession to fulfill the same uninhibited, boundless, dark, if you like, expectations that they have of an AI engine. Now, I suppose in a sense we could say, well, it's actually quite safe to explore some of our darkest fantasies using AI because there's no harm done. But the problem is that if that's the case, then we bring those expectations to the real world. And some of the workers I talk to have real problem with some of the stuff that they're asked to perform or do or consent to because of those pressures, which I think is a very interesting idea. So I suppose it's just a point for reflection for us is to what extent AI is just a problem in itself, or actually the problem is that it allows us to explore the absolute deepest and darkest fantasies that we have, that we otherwise maybe wouldn't have a chance to. And that's all good, but to what extent that influences our expectations of reality. So anyway, have a good weekend.